Good morning, Carrollton High School, and welcome to the Carrollton Morning Announcements. I'm Lucas Priest.
And I'm Samantha Berg.
And we are your hosts for Thursday, April 30th, 2026.
Happy testing season! Testing locations for all EOCs will be emailed out to those testing the night prior to each exam. Additionally, locations will be posted in the Media Center, the cafeteria, A200, A100, D100, F100, and the atrium.
Good luck to everybody testing and try to stay awake for those tests. Congratulations to our Carrollton ROV team and our ROV coach, Mrs. Long. They were invited yesterday to compete in the International ROV Championships in Newfoundland, Canada.
For Mrs. Holloway in the Media Center, are you missing a black blazer and tie from prom? If that's you, please see Mrs. Holloway. She found them.
Definitely not mine. Today is the day.
The day for what?
The day for the 2026 Senior Breakfast video to go live on YouTube.
Oh, how do I find it?
You can go to our featured YouTube channel, Carrollton Trojans, and find it there, or you can click the link in the description of the comments of today's morning announcements video. The Senior Breakfast video premieres at 8:30, so head over sometime today and check it out. Leave a comment too about how you liked it. Congratulations to everyone that helped to make it happen, and we think it's pretty awesome.
NHS members, check out our Google Classroom for important information. Seniors who qualify will receive their souls on Monday, May 11th at the yearbook dedication. See Mr. Harvey, Mrs. Grubbs, or Mrs. Holloway if you have any questions.
Do you play piano or guitar? Are you looking for opportunities to perform and get involved? The CHS Trojan Band is looking for guitar and synthesizer players to join us for the 2026 marching band season. As a member of the band, you will have the opportunity to perform under the Friday Night Lights, travel and compete with other bands, and most importantly, become a member of our outstanding band family. If you are interested in becoming a member of the Trojan Band, please see Mr. Nelson or Mr. Boyle or scan the QR codes on posters around the school.
It's time for Chetty's Chuckles with Chetty's Mr. Young.
It's time for Chetty's Chuckles.
Good morning, Carrollton High School. Guess what? I've got Coach Young, and guess what? I'm excited. I got him with me, and I can't wait to start the jokes. So, Coach Young, I know you've been to Italy, right?
I love Italy.
I know. Will you give me a penne for your thoughts? I wore this just for you, man.
That's nice.
Just for your traveling.
That's nice. So Miss Chitty, I got to tell you, I'm full of jokes.
Yeah.
But I thought it would be fun, kind of in the spirit of Michael Chi and Colin Yost on SNL. If anybody's ever watched that, sometimes they write each other's jokes.
It's funny.
So I had my students write me a few jokes.
Oh my gosh.
And then they emailed them here to Mr. Long, and Mr. Long is going to deliver them to me for the first time.
This is some risky.
Mr. Long. So
we're doing some improv, risky Chetty Chuckle situation
So I'm
here.
seeing this for the first time. So
okay, I'm scared.
I'm gonna try not to laugh. Here we go.
All right,
Okay.
penne for their thoughts.
Since you mentioned Italy, I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what it is about Switzerland that I love so much.
Yeah.
But the flag is a big plus.
Oh,
Yeah, you had to think it's okay. Those of you that didn't get that, look up the Switzerland
flag is a big plus, is what it is. I had to picture that. No, that is good. I honestly keep going. Give me one more of these.
Okay.
Is that okay? Can we do it like that?
Sure.
Okay.
Keep going. Let me see if I can. This is a good one. I don't know who sent me this one, but my student that sent me this one, good job. So, Miss Chetty, my wife and I have reached the difficult decision that we do not want children.
Okay, well,
So if there's anybody out there that's interested, just drop your details in the comments, and I'll be glad to drop them off.
I love that. That is funny.
Be careful though, kids are expensive.
They are very expensive. I don't know, since we're talking about kids, I'm sure this will be a big surprise to everyone that when I was, in the 80s, I was a little bit of a emo kid, right?
Okay.
Right? Come on, Chetty, emotions. Do you know how many emo kids it takes to put in a light bulb?
No idea.
Well, we have no idea either because we all just sat in the dark and cried. We did.
I'm trying not to laugh at that.
We did. By the way, that came from this guy. I got that joke from Coach Young.
Oh, God, man.
Did I make it a little personal?
No,
Did I do a
that's
good
great.
job? All right.
I can see you sit in the dark.
Yes, and with the eyeliner. I had eyeliner on and everything.
All right, so here's another one. I don't know what it is about my kids wanting jokes about my wife.
Oh, okay.
So my wife said that she wanted a marriage like a fairy tale.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so I gave her a loaf of bread and left her alone in the forest.
Oh. Oh my God. One of the loveliest wives in the world, by the way.
She is. She's the greatest.
She really is.
She is.
And she will love that. I love that.
She'll think that's funny.
Hey, do you know what they call a dinosaur who passes gas, who has like a fart?
No, what?
It's a blast from the past. I didn't like saying that word, class, so don't. I did.
You just said it to the whole school.
I did. Only say it if you're allowed. We're in high school.
Okay, I'm finishing up with
This
a
is
joke.
it.
This is it, just for Miss Chetty.
Okay.
My kids told me this is for you because you teach lit.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
And speaking of Italy,
Yes.
how do you turn any salad into a Caesar salad? You stab it 23 times.
Oh. In the back?
In the back.
Oh, I love it. Are you also the salad's best friend?
Yes, I love salad. So
I love it.
perfect for stabbing salads.
That was perfect. And I don't know if I've given this shout out, but I do want everyone to know that Dr. French is the one that bought me this incredible
I believe that.
pun shirt. And I want to give her a shout out. And of course, this is always a blast. And thank you, Carrollton. What do you want to say to Carrollton?
I want to just say one time, if you haven't seen that, I'm taking a group to Italy in 2028 for
how
spring
crazy.
break.
I know it.
Please come see me. I'll be glad to give you the information. I would love for you to go. Italy's the greatest country in Europe. So thanks for watching, everybody.
And then you can tell everybody you want a panay for their thoughts. Have a great day, Carrollton. We'll see you. Do we do the thumbs up?
You know, piggybacking off of that, I have a joke too. Hey, Lucas.
Yeah.
What did one hat say to the other hat?
What?
You stay here. I'll go on ahead.
And my joke is Samantha had to look that up. Now on to Aaron and Christian for Church and Sports.
Hey Christian, you want to hear a joke?
Yes, of course I do.
What do you call a fish without an eye?
Two things, I don't know.
A fish.
All right, that one was so bad, I forgot mine. Here are today's CHS sports announcements.
No games or matches were played yesterday, so let's move on to today in Trojan Sports.
Are you interested in playing volleyball? Check out the flyers around the school for CHS volleyball tryouts next week, May 4th through the 6th, and scan the QR code in the corner to register. Not up yet, but it'll be there soon.
Huge congratulations to Coach Young being named the Carrollton Hockey Assistant Head Coach.
Okay, keep going.
If you are interested in wrestling here for the high school, we will have an interest meeting after school in room G209, Coach Voil's room, after school at 3:25 on Thursday, May 14th.
All right, forget that volleyball QR code, not sure where it is. But today in Trojan Sports, there's varsity girls golf at Johns Creek and Milton. It's the St. Ives Country Club.
Coming tomorrow in Trojan Sports, varsity boys soccer versus Harrison, round 2 playoffs at home at 7:30. Varsity baseball versus Walton, round 2 of the playoffs doubleheader, home at 4 and at 7. Varsity girls lacrosse at West Forsyth, round 2 playoffs at 8. Varsity boys lacrosse at Walton, round 2 playoffs at 8.
Now on to our senior section. Seniors, this is urgent. Do you want to have your scholarship awards featured in the graduation program? You must complete the Google form and report all scholarship awards that you have collected. Ms. Fisher is extending the deadline to Monday, May 4th, which is next Monday, I think, through the weekend to visit TuneU.com at Senior Goal 2026 to complete the Google form to upload the required scholarship documentation, or you could just use the QR code up beside me. Don't wait till the last minute. Ms. Fisher must verify to enter the information before the printer deadline, so time is of the essence. Go to the Google Advisement Classroom, the Senior Corner website, the Career Center, Guidance Office, or just ask your teacher for the link to report your scholarship awards.
And now over to Jack for our CHS weather report.
Good morning, Carrollton High School. This is your Chief Weather Reporter, Jack Lanez, with your weather update. Today's weather is calling for a forecast high of 67 and a low of 54. It will be cloudy during the day. CHS, have a great Friday and a great weekend. And the high temperature today, for one last time, is 67. Now back to our anchors for today in history.
Thanks, Jack.
The volleyball QR code was there at the very end, by the way. Today in history, on April 30th, 1897, British physician J.J. Thomson announced his discovery that atoms were made up of a smaller component called electrons. This finding revolutionized the way scientists thought about the atom and had major ramifications for the field of physics and changed the way I look at biology classes forever.
On April 30th, 1993, 4 years after publishing a proposal for an idea of linked information systems, computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee releases the source code for the world's first web browser and editor. Originally called Mesh, the browser that he dubbed World Wide Web becomes the first royalty-free, easy-to-use means of browsing the emerging information network that had developed on the internet, that developed into the internet as we know it today.
Well, Reddit also came about from that, so thanks. The SAT word of the week is candor, as used on the SAT, sincerity or openness. As used in a sentence, Jack won the jury over with the candor of his testimony.
It's time for birthdays. Happy birthday to
Reagan Cooley,
Addington Adair.
Bella Naves Zuniga, and we do have 2 teacher birthdays, I
Ooh,
believe.
it's fancy. All right, happy birthday to Miss Anderson.
And Miss Trowell, happy birthday.
Remember, opportunity starts here, so make the most of today's opportunities.
That's all for us this morning. Thank you for watching the Carrollton Morning Announcements. We hope you have a terrific Thursday, and go Trojans!